Since our Amplitude experiment had a clear winner, we need to complete the experiment and make a decision on how to move forward. To do so, I just click on Complete Experiment, or click on the suggested action in the takeaway. Options for completing an experiment include roll out, roll back, or continue running. If we choose roll out, we need to select the winning variant and decide who we are rolling it out to. Should it go live for everyone? Or maybe only for certain users? If you choose custom, you will need to make your changes manually in the allocation section of the experiment. Choosing the roll out option just keeps the variant in the experiment active. It has not been converted to a flag, nor has it been permanently put in your codebase. That needs to be done by your engineering team. To convert your experiment to a flag, just select Convert to Flag from the dropdown. We will talk more about creating and managing flags later in this course. If you choose Roll Back, the experiment will end and the variants will no longer be active. Your app will present experiences as specified in your codebase prior to the experiment. If you choose Continue Running, the experiment will keep going and you can enter a new end date. Regardless of the outcomes of your experiments, sharing the results with your teams is crucial if you want to create and maintain a culture of experimentation within your organization. Be sure to celebrate your wins and learn from losses.